Hello beautiful people, this is just a quick pop-in. I realized that I forgot to show you this the dry ones from last live. So here they are, all dry and yummy scrummy. Oh my goodness, this one here is just beautiful. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh, look at that copper. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm just absolutely enamored with this one. I just don't believe how beautiful it is. It is so gorgeous. Shines, it sparkles, it's pretty. Love it. And then we got this one, and this one is so different. But it's got that copper, subtle cells in the copper and gold. Really like that. So there you go. I just thought I would pop in and show you what else is possible, what we created last time, and yeah, looking forward to sharing with you the dry one. Please remind me next time. I thought about it when we first started and then I totally forgot. So remind me next time to make sure I show you the beauties that we created in this live. Bye bye. Okay, so now on to the ones that we did on, what day did we do it? I have no idea. Friday, Valentine's Day, yay! So these have dried, and this one's come out great. For the person that was asking, will it come out flat? That looks pretty flat to me. There's a couple of little areas which aren't perfectly flat, but you know what, that's actually okay. Nowhere near as ridgy as it looked when the painting was finished. That's yeah, I really love this area down here. Check this out. And then onto the purple one. Does purple and orange go okay together? Remember that purple, that orange line that I was worried about showing through in a cell? It didn't just show through in the cell, it showed through in the whole painting. That's okay. How's it getting any better than that? So as I said, all these black dots is where the silicone hit the plastic and then bounced back up. So we've got silicone cells right the way down. If this was on a white canvas, it would just look like white cells. It wouldn't be as obvious. But as it is, it's black cells. How's it getting any better than that? So let me know in the comments, what do you think of our orange circle? Do you think it's savable? What else is possible? Tell me if you like it. Is purple and orange a good colour combo? So there you go. 4 paintings done over 2 live streams. And sorry about this dry reveal video. I do have a painting for my Sunday video, and it is still drying. So that'll be the Monday video, and I will paint tomorrow in order to have a Wednesday video, and hopefully we will be back on track again. Thank you guys so much for everything you be in my world. I'm so grateful. I have so much fun when we play together live. I have so much fun when I'm responding to your comments and hearing your feedback, and those that came to visit me today at the Rotorua Art in the Park. Thank you so much for stopping in and saying hi. I adore you all. And what else is possible, guys? Oh, yeah. big news. I finally got around to actually advertising some in-person classes here in Rotorua. So if you are anywhere in the vicinity and keen for a class, check out my website, mickeyart.co.nz/classes. If you would like to be on a live next time, mickeyart.co.nz/sign up in order to be on the mailing list to get a 24-hour notification, or head on over to patreon.com/mickeyart and sign up as a Patreon supporter, and you get to be one of those lovely, beautiful, amazing people who talk in my ear while we are doing the live stream. So I adore you guys. Have fun, and how much more fun can we all have? How much more fun can we all choose? I adore you all, and I will see you super, super soon. Bye-bye!